Hello friends who like nail art as much as I do. Welcome back to another video. I am going to be doing this viral thing everybody's doing, so I'm going to show it to you. Alright, so we're going to do magnetic viral hearts. I am going to do another video of these, but I wanted to show you what they looked like on different colored dark nails. So I know a lot of people say you have to have black for magnetic cat eye gels. You do not. But a dark color will definitely produce a different result than a lighter color. I am also going to be modifying what people are doing out there. I know a lot of people are showing the heart. And they're like, oh, here's how you do it, la 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 la, and that's great. I wanted to show you what it looked like when you layered multiple cat eye gels. So that's what we're going to do, is a variation on it. So first off, I'm going to show you my fail because I think it's important to know what happens. So if you don't get this whole shape thing correct on your magnet, and you can use any magnet, by the way, I've tried this with many magnets at this point. You can use any magnet as long as it's strong. So what I did is I took a pair of pliers and I adjusted. Really, a paper clip works just fine. I know a lot of people are giving advice about this, so I'm not going to get into too much detail there. If you mess up and it doesn't come out right, you can just use a little bit of cat eye polish to go over the uncured polish, okay? So if it's uncured, you can just rearrange the metal pigments in it again and then try it again, okay? So I'm just adjusting. I was tweaking and adjusting, tweaking and adjusting. Here's what I came up with that worked best. So I'm keeping the magnet away from the nail because the one thing I found is that if the magnet is near the nail at all, it will sort of mess up your heart because it pulls of course, the magnet, you know, right? It's magnetic. So it's pulling that gel downward. So I'm just checking that one. I'm going to show you different color cat eye gels and different designs that you can do. So this one, I already put cat eye gel on. And I made it go to the top and the bottom with the magnet. And now I'm going to use a different color in the center. So that was like a purpley, and now I'm going to put like a pinky red. These are like a 90 cat eye gel, so they have multi-chrome tones to them. You can use any cat eye gel that you have, but I happen to like the 90 cat eyes, and I'm going to show you some more of these. So I have another video coming, but this was the first try. You have to adjust your heart shape so that V is going to tell you what kind of heart you're going to get. So if you want a more narrow heart, your V should be more narrow. If you want a wider heart, then make sure that your V is wider. Mine is a little wider for this. I wanted kind of a chunky fat heart, and that's what I got. Other things I can tell you about this. Layering, I found that layering brings the heart out even more. So if you do one layer and it's not quite enough, I'm going to do that on this one. So I'm using that same green again. Remember, we already did the heart. I froze it in the light, and now I went over it with a second coat of green. And I'm going to make that heart again in the same spot. Same spot. But see how much more pronounced it is now? So more than one layer of cat eye gel will sometimes give you a better effect. I think it just depends on the cat eye gels you're working with. These I've had for a really long time. I don't even know if the maker of these still makes them. I did get them on Amazon, though I did just get a new set of cat eyes that I'm going to be playing with, so we'll see what that looks like. I'm using the round ball this time, the round dot magnet, because I want to make like a cat eye, see, like that. And then I'm going to go over it with another color to make the heart in the center. So I just want to show you that there's different techniques you can use out there. A lot of people are just doing that straight up look, which is okay if that's all you want to do. But you know me, I like to get a little crazy with my nail art. So on this one, we're going to make like an S shape using that round ball. You'll see in a minute. I kind of push everything to the sides and then I go up and down. And what that's going to do is give me a cat eye on either corner of the nail. This is one of those new trendy super cat eye gels. Okay, there's that other one all cured. So purple to pink. That one we're going to do a heart in the middle of in a second. So I'm going to show you how to do like a framed heart. That one's just the straight up heart that everybody keeps showing. I wanted to do one of those just to, you know, show you I could do it, I guess. No, I don't know. Just because that was what I was playing with. I wanted to see if you multi-layered it, if it was going to give you a stronger effect. On this last one, I'm going to do like a coppery goldy color shifty. Like I said, these are microchromes. Sorry, I bumped my camera. I was getting wild. Ignore the red tape. That's just double-sided tape that I was using for something else. Okay, so on this one, I'm going to use my rounded magnet, as you can see, just to kind of shift the cat eye around so that I have a dark center and then that kind of faded look around the edges. That's another popular look right now for cat eye. That was the cat eye, literally the cat eye that we made. I'm going to go in and put purple in the center, so it's green on the outside, purple in the center. And then we're going to make the heart in the middle of that. So it's going to give us almost like a cosmic effect on this one, which I find really beautiful. So I guess what I want to say to you is don't be afraid to layer and get crazy. Isn't that cool? Layer it, get crazy with it, really enjoy it because it's quite a lot of fun. Once you get the heart piece down and you master that, you can really get crazy. This one I'm going to go back in and fix in a second because I didn't have quite enough of that super cat eye stuff on the nail to give me a clear heart. It was making it kind of fuzzy. This one was a little softer. It was a little fuzzier in the end anyway, which was fine. I think if you have somebody who wants a little less dramatic heart, they just want to kind of subtly see it. So you can see I'm connecting those two corners. Remember, I cat-eyed either corner. And now I'm dragging that cat eye back across the center, and then I'm going to put the heart in. This one I loved because it's on a sparkly dark blue, and then it's got a silver cat eye, so it gave it a very frosty winter, kind of winter heart look. I thought that was really kind of a neat way to go about it. So yeah, experiment, have fun, play. I want to do a double heart. I think you could do that double heart the same way if you froze the first layer and then went back in with a second coat and froze the second layer. I think the thing is making sure you use the round one to give you a dark spot to be able to go back in and do that. I'm just changing paints because I was like, oops, nope, I want to do a two-tone. So I was looking for the one that I wanted. Unfortunately, this one doesn't show you. So this one's going to be that coppery reddish to it's really kind of a warm, I don't know how to explain it. Purpley pink. It's like a purple. This one's like a purpley pink. And we're going to make the heart with that. These are really beautiful in person. I don't think the camera did it as much justice. Oh, another thing I learned. See, there it is. Okay. I wanted to explain this too. So if you shift it back and forth, your magnet back and forth a little, you can push the pigment out even a little further to give yourself more the heart shape you want if you want to change your heart shape at all. So wiggling the magnet also helps. And this is what they look like. This is what they look like being top coated. And then you are done. So you can see how it gives this beautiful heart cat eye effect. And depending on the layering that you use, really depends on the effect you get. So I enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed it too. And I will be releasing some more cat eye fun very soon because, like I said, I just got a new set out. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.